Alright, comment section. We're back with another video. Today, we're going to be doing some chopping here. You guys remember for the last video, your boy was rubbing quite a bit. So what we're going to be doing, chopping this up. I don't know if you can really see it. Chop that up, hammer it down. I don't know how high I'm going to go. I don't think I need to do this whole thing. I think I might just go to like maybe, obviously the bottom, like maybe here. Hammer that back. I do want to push that back as well. As you can see, there's no fender liner. We were on a trip. I had to basically rip it out of this side because it was flapping like crazy.
You okay? Careful.
So I took this side out, and then I also took the other side out. But we got some tools. Let me show you. Hey, wait, hold on. I kind of like this angle. Got some tools, so let me go grab them out of the car. Alright guys, we got spray paint, more cut-off wheels. These were actually on sale. I have an angle grinder and a 4-pound sledgehammer. That's all you pretty much should need. I got some PB blaster because I got a tow hitch that we're gonna put on. So let's get this thing up in the air and take the wheels off. This has to be the sketchiest thing. That wheel looks like it's ready to give up at any time. So if you guys want to support your boy, like and comment so I can get the Badlands check. That one's pretty badass. But back to work. So essentially what you're gonna do is cut some slits into here. I don't know how deep you're supposed to go though. But cut some slits and then hammer it down. We're gonna go this way because it looks like it's gonna be smoother. But yeah, this is interesting. Kings are still here. Thumbnail. Alright, comment section, cut it up. I think those should be deep enough. I don't know. Maybe a little bit deeper. We'll see. I'll probably do the bottom ones a little bit deeper. Then we gotta hammer it out. First off, I'm out of breath, but we got it done. I think that's as good as we're gonna get. I kind of flattened these down a little bit, nothing crazy, but I think for the most part, it should fit my stuff pretty good. We'll see. I might hammer a little bit, just a tad bit more. This one's kind of like really stiff, but anything up from like this little hole all the way up, pretty smooth. So we're gonna go ahead and hammer that down a little bit more, see if I can spray paint it. Should be good. Alright, it's all spray painted now. I did touch up on that as well. I need to get that welded. So if anybody knows how to weld, please hit me up. I need that done. But we're able to cut this side and hammer it down. Now we move on to the passenger side. Alright chat, we're on the passenger side now. One problem I am going to have is I'm going to have to put this fender liner back up. As you can see there, my intake is right there. So I'm gonna have to put this side back on. Other side I'm not gonna worry about, but this side definitely I'm gonna worry about. But yeah, gotta go ahead and get chopping on this and see if this side's a little bit easier. Alright, I got this side all done, all chopped up as you can see right there, painted as well. I did put the fender liner back on as you can see. I still need to get some more clips because some areas I'm still a little flimsy, but should do for the most part. I did cut like a little tab right here, just because I noticed I was rubbing a slight bit, but I don't know, we might have to do a viper cut. Which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. But we should be good now for street driving. I'm gonna go ahead and get these torqued down, take it for a little drive, see how she rides. Should ride pretty good, I'm pretty excited. I'm wearing gray, I never wear gray when I work on cars, so it'll probably look a little bit dirty. It is what it is. Had my safety on, in case you guys were wondering, and we'll see how we can fit these big old tires. Hopefully everything fits good. Thumbnail. Let's take it for a little drive and see if she's rubbing. I'm gonna go around the block. My jack out of the way. That's full lock right there, baby. And that's, oh, what was that? Nope, still rubbing a tad bit. Let's see. Let's see. The front side. I don't know what it can be rubbing other than the washer. We're not rubbing on this though, seems like we got tons of clearance there. I don't think it's my body mount chop. No, that's still good too. Oh, weird. Suspension had to sit for a little bit. We got nothing. Eee! What you know about that, boys? I never had so much trouble trying to fit tires on, bro. It's actually fucking insane. So I got a little bit of rub, very minimal on a hard left, declining. Oh, it actually might be on this side. Yeah, I think it's on the driver's side. All right, so here's where we stand. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but I pretty much just vipered it a little bit right there. Same thing on the other side. Now I got no rub. I probably have to get a little bit more caster put on this side, just because I'm rubbing a very, very slight bit on the body mount chop there. You can see it's a little silver now that I rubbed the paint off. But other than that, she rides pretty good. Super excited because I haven't had, since I've had these Wilson tires, I haven't been able to have zero rub. And right now it's like 99%. We just got to fix that other side. But for the most part, it rides pretty good and I'm super excited. We went to Sequoia with this car and that's why it's so dirty. We ended up running it through a little dirt section just because I wanted to see how the Kings felt. And they ride amazing. This is like my first off-road vehicle, and it just feels good. So I'll probably put a clip in there of us riding through it. I'll be right now. But yeah, that's pretty much what you're gonna have to do in order to fit 34s and up. Obviously my next size I do want to go 35s, where just these look super small to me now. So 35s might be next. Maybe even a bigger spacer and just kind of poke them out a little bit. Rears, shouldn't have any issue with them even under full flex. I might do a bumper chop here as well. I just don't know which angle I'm going to do it at. But definitely going to do a bumper chop there. I do want to get a front bumper as well, an aftermarket one, and then new headlights. And I think this thing will look superb. But I think rock sliders are next. I don't know, we got a lot of things to do. We got to do brakes on this thing. Because as we're driving up to Sequoia, it was like a little, you brake and it kind of wanted to go this way a little bit. So brakes on this thing I know are kind of old, which was kind of ballsy taking it up there with the brakes that we did, but it feels good. I did put the sway bar back on because I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bitch. I put it back on. That shit had body roll like a motherfucker. So put that back on. So the sway bar's back on and everything feels good. But all around, this car did pretty good. We drove it, what is that, 4 hours? And it just, no problems at all. So I'm super excited to see where this thing's gonna go. At the end of the day, this is my daily, so I don't want to go too crazy on it, but I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how she rides. Feels good though. I was gonna put the tow hitch on it, but honestly, that might be a tomorrow project. So I might continue this vlog tomorrow. See where that goes. Back with a little ending here. As you see, your boy got a camera. Got the tow hitch on. Pretty easy to put on. Kind of sucks because the bolts on the bottom were like all screwed up. So yeah, but got a new camera. This is the Sony ZV-E1, ZV-E10. How's it look? Still gotta mess with the settings, but for the most part, this thing looks pretty good. I do have a lens on order, which will help with all the bokeh on the low lighting. Not too shabby. Like I said, I got a lens on order, so it might be a little bit more stable once I get it. We'll see. Maybe the weight will help a little bit. We do need to lift the fronts though. I'll show you guys. The fronts look a little sauced. It's a little, yeah, need to lift that. But I just wanted to get a little footage of the microphone and how this thing sounds. We have a grill. Look at that, boys. Your boy's a griller now. We just bought it. We just put it together. Maybe we'll get that on the vlog for you guys. But yeah, I've been riding the bike. Your boy's been into biking lately, so I'm trying to ride the bike. But yeah, as you guys can see, people riding on my car. I love men. I don't know. I'm just yapping. I'll see you guys in the next one, and then we'll be taking the GX out for a little dirt adventure. Super excited.